Hello students, welcome ulit sa online tutorial natin. So, continue tayo, problem number 6. So, problem number 6, we have the integral of, ano yan? Integral of 4 times cube root, no? Cube root of x minus 2x times square root of x dx. Tama ba? 4 cube root of x minus 2x. Tama. Sige. So, again, notice, meron lang tayong mga radical sign, no? Cube root and square root. So, just ang gagawin lang natin is convert this one to an exponent. Fraction nga lang, di ba? Ang square root is 1/2, and then ang cube root naman is 1/3. Tama ba? Kalimutan ko na. Medyo matagal na rin kasi ako nagturo ng algebra. Sige, so convert natin to. So this will become x to the power 1/3, and then ito naman, this will become x to the power 1/2. And then notice, product of two base, di ba? And then separate exponent, one same base, that's 1 and 1/2. So pag i-times natin yan, you can just actually add the exponent and then combine it. So this will become 1 plus 1/2. That's actually, ano ba yung 1 plus 1/2? 3/2. Okay? And then next, after nyan, proceed ka na sa equation number 2. Itong power, tama ba yung term na ginamit ko? Power formula. Kalimutan ko. I think yung power formula is for differential. But anyway, itong number 2 yung gagamitin natin. Wherein n is 1/3 for the first term and then 3/2 for the second term. Sige, so kopyahin ko na lang agad to, no? So that's 4. So ang 1/3, this will become plus 1. And then i-divide ko tong whole term na to by itong 1/3 plus 1. And then minus 2. And kopyahin ko muna to. Minus 2. And then itong 3/2, i-plus 1 natin. And then itong whole term na to, i-divide natin by the exponent itself. Okay? And then plus c. Okay? And then after nyan, you can now actually simplify. And then yun, makukuha na natin agad yung sagot. So, for this one, I hope agree kayo. Ito yung simplified form niya. You might be wondering, sir, saan galing yung simplified form? So, 1/3 plus 1 is actually 4/3. I'm sure you have your calculator, man. So, and then 4/3 dito, notice, 4 over 4/3. Pag 4, i-divide mo by 4/3. 4 over 4 will cancel out, and then 3 will become the numerator. Okay? Kasi tataas yan kasi denominator siya ng denominator, which makes it the numerator. Cancel out ang 4, matitiran lang ang 3, which will be on the numerator. Okay? And then for this one, yan, ang simplified niya is 4, tama no? 3 over 2 plus 1, that's actually 5 over 2. Tama ba? 3 over 2 plus 1, that's 3 over 2 plus 2 over 2. Tama, 5 over 2. And then ito, if this is 5 over 2, makancel out, hindi pala makancel out kasi ang 2 is different man. So, in fact, it will be multiplied 2 times 2 over 5, kaya 4 over 5. Sige, so our answer will be ito. So, this is 3x, plus ito. Minus pala. Minus this one. And then plus c. Sige. Yeah. Okay. So, again, if you're not sure with your answer, you can use your calculator to check, no? So, ang gagawin nyo lang is differentiate or find the derivative of your answer. Set x is equal to 0.1. So, shift yan derivative using your calculator of our answer. That's 3 times x to the power, 4 over 3. And then minus 4 x to the power 5 over 2 over 5. Tama, no? Over 5. Plus c. I'll just assume c is equal to 0. And then I'll put this one as 0.1. Okay? And then our answer is 1.739. I-store ko to sa letter A. Next, I will try to solve for the value of my function. Ito. Except, I will not write the integral sign. No? Yung function lang yung kailangan ko. So, that's 4 times cube root. Tama ba? Mali. 4 times cube root of x minus 2x times square root, times square root of x. Ay, mali. Ito para. Square root of x. Yan. Okay? And then I will set x equal to 0.1. And then I will notice, tingnan nyo, 1.793, which is actually the same sa A. So meaning, tama yung sagot natin. Okay? Or, you can just to check kung parehas ba talaga, you can actually subtract yung answer mo. Yung sagot mo na yan, yan, i-subtract mo yan sa na-store mo sa letter A, and then you'll notice the answer is 0. You might be wondering, sir, hindi yan 0. Actually, 0 yan. 5, that's 0.0000000, 15 zeros, 14 zeros, and then 5, which is just the same as 0. Kasi negative 15 ba? Okay, so I think okay tayo sa number 6. Proceed tayo sa number 7.